Though for loop is the most popular and most used for loop in Python, there is one more loop which is while loop. Let us now discuss about that. Let us take example. Let for I in range, let us say 5, print I. See, it will print 0 to 4 as we know. So now let us write the same thing in the while loop. So whenever you are using the for loop, the system automatically does a lot of work for you, assigning the value of I and every time assigning the value inside the range. Like first it will be 0, 1, 2, 3. But in the while loop we should have to do it manually. So how to do it? First we should have to initialize the value to 0. Then we should have to write the condition for I less than 5. Then we should have to print the value of I. Once now I will be 0, and then we should have to write I is equal to I plus 1. So every time it will be incremented by 1. So once the I becomes 5 is this condition will becomes true, it will come out of the loop. Let us see, 0 to 4. So if you forgot to write this increment this value, it will be in the infinity loop because I will be always 0 and this condition is always true. That's why this print statement will be getting inside the infinity loop and it will be printed forever. So let me show you that. While, let me initialize once again, I is equal to 0. Why I am doing it? Because now I is equal to 5. I becomes 5 and fails it. I is equal to 0 while I less than 5. So this is always true. Now whatever we write inside this will be, if you don't write I is equal to I plus 1, hello world, let us say. Let us print one more statement, print. You can write any number of statement under the loops. Welcome. See here, it is looping infinitely because I is always 0 there. So always be careful whenever using loops, whether it is a for loop or while loop. Let me close it. Okay. So let me write one more thing. Let us declare one more I is equal to 0 while we can write any condition like I is less than equal to 10. Always think about the logic. Let me write a simple one, I less than equal to 5. Print the value of I. Now can you guess how many times it will be loop? For now it will be infinite time, but let us write I is equal to I plus 1. Every time I will be getting incremented. So this time first I will be 0, next 1, 2, 3, 4, and when it becomes 5 is less than or equal to 5. So a condition is again satisfied. When it is 5 also the condition is satisfied. When we write only less than, when I becomes 5 the condition get fails. When we write less than or equal to 5, it becomes, the condition gets satisfied and the 0 to 5 is printed. This is like 6 times. The loop inside it is 6 times. So always be careful, like look into how many times the loop is going for. So when we are writing I is equal to, this time it is printing 6 times. If you write print, this loop will be in 6 times. So always sure about the logic. So this is all about the logic of while, and next we will be seeing some example understanding the better. Hope you understood. Meet you in the next video.